Hi, fellow travelers. This is my maiden adventure into the YouTube world where I want to share with you a few videos, few photos that I have accumulated over a period of time. I've been traveling for quite some time now. Have driven across thousands of kilometers now across South India, East India, West India, uh, exotic places, Goa, Mahabalipuram, mountains like Munnar, Uti. So accumulated quite a few videos, quite a few photos, and the endeavor is to now share it with everybody so that you can also see those places. Only expectation, go through the videos, see if you like them, and if you like them, do share the videos.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today it's not a usual video that I do. You all know my channel. I've been posting a few travel blogs till now, mostly from my drives that I go on. They are of quite long tenures, but because of this current pandemic scenario, I have not been able to go out. So what I'm using this time for is learning new tricks in order to how to edit videos, how to shoot better. So in that same endeavor, I picked up a new camera. Now why is that useful? It is useful because till now I was using a normal dash cam that I had from before, and so I did not know how long I'll be doing this in the beginning, so which is why I just used whatever equipment I had, and till now it has been okay. It has been kaam chalao, if I may say. So it has given me good footage, but yeah, many times I have traveled for kilometers together, hundreds of kilometers, and then realized that the video has not got recorded. So that is something to do with the camera, something to do with the storage, because the camera records in 3-minute intervals. So every time there are some of the videos are just lost. So instead of doing that, I thought pick up a better camera, which is why I picked up a GoPro Hero 7 Black. GoPro Hero 8 Black is also out in the market, but why I picked up the Hero 7 is because I thought that is enough for my purpose as of now. Hero 7 में the new features that they had introduced about a year back was extremely good stabilization, which they are calling it hyper stabilization. So what it does is even in places where there is a little bit of jerky environment, and you're in a car, you're off-roading, it kind of provides a little bit more of stabilization. Hero GoPro 8 may be same hai. They are calling it hyper stabilization 2.0, which is better. But if you are not biking, or you are not cycling through rough terrain, or you are running, it really the effect in between the Hero 7 and the Hero 8 is not too vast, and I felt that shelling out 7,000-8,000 rupees more for something which I do not see the difference that will really affect my video. I did not think it was useful. It is always up to you whether you want the latest one, the latest gizmo, the latest gadget. वो आप कर ही सकते हो, लेकिन मेरे लिए वो ठीक था, इसीलिए मैंने यही ले लिया. इसके साथ आपको एक मेमोरी कार्ड लेना ही पड़ेगा, because it does not have any inbuilt memory. It is not a phone. So इसमें आपको मेमोरी कार्ड आप जितना अच्छा लोगे, 64 GB से ज़्यादा लोगे, तो वो आपके लिए बेहतर रहेगा, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा फुटेज आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकोगे. Now the thing is that in one single go you can record up to 2 hours in this, if you have a memory space available to you. So that way it is very good. The new features in this one that were introduced were, इसमें से एक है कि आप लैंडस्केप मोड और पोर्ट्रेट मोड दोनों में शूट कर सकते हो. आपको पता ही होगा कि GoPro में एक चीज़ जो बहुत ही बढ़िया है, दैट इज फील्ड ऑफ व्यू. अब वाइड एंगल व्यू इसका बहुत अच्छा है. दे हैव 3 डिफरेंट शूटिंग मोड्स. वो आपको मैं बाद में जब कैमरा ऑन हो जाएगा उसके फीचर्स में दिखाऊंगा, लेकिन अभी के लिए यू कैन से दैट द वाइड एंगल मोड इज वेरी गुड इन दिस. Other than the stabilization, time lapse videos, जो time warp बोलते हैं, there is a time warp video feature in this, which is again of a lot of use, because cinematographic angle से वो बहुत ही बढ़िया होता है किसी time space को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ you obviously if you are doing it for, you cannot put a video footage of for 5 hours, but if you put it on time lapse, you can show exactly, you can capture the mood of a place. So the difference in this is that the stabilization feature ये टाइम वॉर्प वीडियोस को भी बहुत ही बढ़िया कर देता है. द रीजन भी कि पहले जो रिकॉर्डिंग होता था, जैसे मेरे पिछले कैमरा में जो जैसे रिकॉर्डिंग होता था, या फोन में टाइम लैप्स वीडियोस जब आपने अगर देखा होगा, तो उसमें ना एक थोड़ा सा रुक रुक के वीडियो आती है. आप अगर केयरफुली देखोगे, उसको लगता है फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम एडवांस हो रहे हैं. जैसे हम लोगों के बहुत साल पहले जब हम लोग VHS टेप्स यूज करते थे या वीडियो कैसेट प्लेयर यूज करते थे, उसमें एक फीचर हुआ करता था जिसको बोलते थे फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम एडवांस. सो हर शॉट फ्रीज फ्रेम होके आगे बढ़ता था, तो वैसा ही दिखता है, रुक रुक के आगे बढ़ता है. लेकिन इन दिस वन व्हाट यू विल नोटिस इज दैट इट इज स्मूथ. It doesn't look like a slow motion video. It captures the motion of it, but at the same time it is not frame by frame advanced, so which is a very good feature. It is a very useful feature. The other thing is that you can take brilliant shots in this. As I mentioned, the wide angle view is very very good. So stabilization feature का और एक enhancement ये है कि when you are in the car, many a times there is a lot of footage that is lost because of jerks that are happening, or you kind of feel that there is a beautiful landscape that is coming up, but at that very moment, due to some where you'll have to maneuver the car, it becomes a little shaky and you miss that place. When you freeze frame that place and you want to take a still photograph out of your video footage, it kind of breaks down. So that will not happen. This camera allows you to record in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, which brings in a different vibrance to videos. So if you check that resolution videos on the net, और GoPros के बहुत सारे videos already YouTube पे मौजूद हैं जो review कर चुके हैं इस product को, तो आप उसके videos आप देखोगे तो the colors are amazing, the vibrance is amazing. And considering I do travel vlogs, I do videos on from the car, and it's more to do about travel, I thought this is the best product for me, which can make my videos better to look at. So that's the thing. Quick introduction. So इसी को अभी unbox करेंगे. It's a packed box. मैंने unboxing के कई सारे videos देख रखा है. That is because कोई भी कुछ नया खरीदो, you don't want to break it when you are opening it. तो धीरे धीरे करेंगे और निकाल के देखेंगे, एंड उसके बाद फीचर्स भी इसके चेक करेंगे. सो स्टिक अराउंड. तो लेट्स ओपन दिस अप. के अंदर कई सारी चीजें हैं. कैमरा तो है ही, वारंटी कार्ड, 1 साल की वारंटी, तो ये माउंट पे लगा हुआ आता है इसके साथ. तो ये रहा कैमरा, इसके साथ शॉर्टी आपको अलग से खरीदना पड़ेगा. शॉर्टी मतलब स्टैंड, या आपके कार पे लगाने के लिए माउंट आपको अलग से खरीदना पड़ेगा. सो डिफरेंट प्राइसेस के आते हैं. शॉर्टी जैसे 800 रुपये से चालू होके 2000 रुपये तक का है. अमेज़न में भी आप देख लोगे तो चेस्टी आता है, जो आप कैमरा को अपने चेस्ट पे लगा सकते हो, हेलमेट पे लगा सकते हो, तो उसका अलग अलग माउंट्स मिलता है. मेरे काम की चीज़ जो है विच इज़ कैमरा माउंट, जो मैं कार पे लगा सकता हूँ, तो वो अलग से मुझे लेना पड़ेगा. वो भी वही 800, 900, 200 रुपये का भी है, 900 रुपये का भी है, तो अलग अलग अपेंडेजेस के साथ है. लेकिन डैश पे लगाने के लिए एक्चुअली GoPro साथ में ही कुछ चीज़ें देता है. जैसे ये डबल साइडेड टेप लगा हुआ एक माउंट है जिसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने डैश में लगाने के लिए. सो ऐसा ये 2 देते हैं, वो पैक के साथ ही आता है. सो सेम थिंग, डबल साइडेड टेप लगा हुआ माउंट ऑलरेडी GoPro प्रोवाइड करता है. दिस इज द USB चार्जर। ये नॉर्मल जैसे कोई भी चार्जर से लगाने, कोई भी आपका USB चार्जर जैसा है वही है, आप लैपटॉप से लगा के चार्ज कर सकते हो। ये जैक थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का है, ये मोबाइल जैसा जैक नहीं है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, इसका नाम क्या है मुझे नहीं पता, बट आप USB के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हो इसको। एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, बैटरी। ये बैटरी आपको बाहर से भी, ये एक बैटरी से आप घंटा 2 घंटा कंटिन्यूस, 2 घंटा एक्चुअली कंटिन्यूस रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हो। लेकिन इट इज़ ऑलवेज, आप अगर रेगुलर व्लॉगर हो तो आपको ये रिप्लेसमेंट आपको ले लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ऑन द गो चार्जिंग के लिए जो आप कोई अडेप्टर गोप्रो का अलग से नहीं आता है, तो वो आपको चेक कर लेना पड़ेगा कि आप अलग से चार्जर लगा सकते हो कि नहीं लगा सकते हो। एक्चुअली आई हैव सीन ब्लॉगर यूज इट ऑन द गो एंड यू नो चार्ज द गोप्रो ऑन द गो, लेकिन वो मतलब इट्स नॉट अ रेडी चार्जर, वो उसमें आपको ये मतलब जुगाड़ लगाना पड़ता है, उसमें आपको अलग से डबल साइडेड टेप लगा के केस को, तो गोप्रो का केस तोड़ के उसको चार्ज करना पड़ता है, एंट्री करना पड़ता है। तो उसका वीडियोस अवेलेबल है एक्चुअली नेट पे, वो आप देख सकते हो। सो एज आई मेंशन, दिस इज द कैमरा, this is how it looks. There are two LCD screens, one is over here, the other is the screen that you will look at when you actually shoot a video or a photo. So it comes within a case, so this case also makes it waterproof. There are a few things that you know we'll have to take off the case and look at it so that we can know where to charge it from, where to get the battery inside, and where to put the memory card also. So this case comes off quite easily. When you have bought a new GoPro, it's new equipment, usually you are a little scared, but if you see over here there is an arrow, if you pull through that arrow it will come off. So there it is, it has opened up, and then you need to just push it out. You can push over here, and preferably not on the lens, on the sides. हाँ, तो एंगल में थोड़ा चेंज किया मैंने कैमरा का, क्योंकि दिखा नहीं रहा था ठीक से। तो ये है कैमरा। सो कैमरा को मैं अभी केसिंग से निकालूंगा। हाउ यू डू इट, एज आई मैंशनड, ये खोल के, ये क्लिप यहाँ से खोल के, उसके बाद यू कैन ओपन द बैक केसिंग लाइक दिस। Once you open the back casing, you just need to push it out. ऐसे रहता है, और उसको आप ऐसे डाल सकते हो कैमरा के अंदर, और ऐसे निकल भी जाता है। निकालने के बाद there are 3 slots that you should be aware of. ये एक होता है, इधर देखो एक ब्लैक छोटा सा बटन है इसमें, इस ब्लैक बटन को थोड़ा सा दबा के खींचोगे तो ये निकल जाता है लाइक दिस। So these flaps are made in such a way that you can take them off. Not only open them, you can actually tear them out, because it can be required in order to, when you are on the go charging. So if this is closed with the case, you will not be able to charge, so you can take this off actually. So these 2 slots, there are 2 slots over here. These 2 slots, one is for the USB charger, the other is for an AV out, which can be done through this. The other is this button also same, there is a small button in between. You need to just push it down and then pull it out like this. And this flap also opens like this. इसमें जाता है बैटरी जो अभी अंदर डला हुआ है। इट इज़ एक्चुअली चार्ज्ड, मैंने निकाल के पहले चार्ज कर लिया है बैटरी को। इसको ऐसे बंद कर दिया। अभी इसको ऑन करेंगे। So when you turn it on, the on off switch is over here to the side. It requires a little bit of a long.
So you have to press the small button that is there so that this can be slid out. The main thing inside this slot is the battery. The battery has a flap, you can just pull it out like this. And the slot for the memory card is also over here right on top. You should put the memory card over here. Try to use a memory based on the amount of footage that you plan to shoot. It's advisable to use something which is more than 64 GB if you want to shoot footage for at least 2 hours. So that allows you to, so that there is no interruption. You don't end up in a situation where you are thinking that the footage is being recorded, but later you realize there's nothing because your card was full. So that's what it is. We can put the card back like this, the battery back like this, and just close it. And there you go. So first thing is you need to choose the language. It's a touch screen, so you just touch. Then it goes to legal stuff, which is terms and conditions. You agree. Then it asks you whether you want to capture location, GPS. It helps you when you do live streaming. So that is another additional feature in this. You can use this camera to do live streaming directly from the camera. Install GoPro app. This is a very good thing to do. If you can install the GoPro app from the App Store, what it does is it gives you controls from the phone itself directly. So you have a bigger screen area to play with. But as of now, I'm not going to do this. The reason being that I just want to show you the features right now. So it's asking me to skip setup. Let's do a skip setup. It's asking me to change the date. So today is the 1st of August 2020. अभी टाइम हो रहा है around 7 PM in the evening. It's a 12-hour time. Okay, 24 hours. Let me choose 24 hours. I always like that. So कर दिया. Explore your new GoPro. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know your camera. Okay. So current resolution जो है ये 1440 at 60 frames per second पे है. So that is the default setting. Now you can use the zoom over here. Slide zoom. ये touch करके you can zoom in and zoom out. But when you are making a video, it will not work that way. Video while doing making the video, you will not be able to zoom. So you have to zoom in first and then start the video. So if I have to touch this, it goes into mode to change modes. So I'm touching over here. So I can slide these sides. So I can go to photo mode. In photo mode, there you can see a timer that can be used in order to take a photo by setting the time. This says photo. You can take a photo burst, that is multiple. You can go to night vision, night photographs. So you can change all of that. So let me keep it at photo by default. Here wide angle. So this also allows you to choose what kind of photo you want to take. So this is currently I'm choosing wide, large field of view that captures as much as possible in the frame. So I am choosing wide as of now. Super photo is it makes the field of view even more wide. Raw off किया हुआ है. Raw is the content actually. Saves your photos as both JPEG and GPR files. Raw files cannot be produced if HDR is on or super photo is set to auto. So अभी तो off है तो off ही रहने देते हैं अभी. ProTune is a little bit of a professional mode. It basically means there are a huge amount of settings, and if you are really confident with how to operate a camera in manual settings, you can use that. Now this RAW is kind of getting into my nerves because I usually use RAW when I am using my still photos with my DSLR camera. So I am not sure whether I should be on RAW or not. So as of now, let's keep it at off. So that's the features over there. ProTune में नहीं जाएंगे because it is very difficult. if you are new to the GoPro camera. So this is the video mode. वीडियो मोड में भी सेटिंग्स आपको दिखाया. देयर इज़ आल्सो लूपिंग. लूपिंग में अभी नहीं जाते हैं, वीडियो मोड का ही सेटिंग्स देख लेते हैं. इसमें रेजोल्यूशन और फ्रेम्स पर सेकंड है. इस पर एस्पेक्ट रेशियो है. एस्पेक्ट रेशियो 4:3 है इसका डिफ़ॉल्ट. क्यों है पता नहीं, बट आइडियली आपको यू कैन चूज टू शूट 1080-60 पे है, विच इज़ गुड इनफ. बट आप 4K में भी शूट कर सकते हो. 4K में ये होता है कि स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा लेकिन पिक्चर क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छा आता है. सो दैट इज़ वॉट इट इज़. 16:9 चूज़ कर लिया है मैंने इधर, सो दैट यू नो दैट इज़ द यूजुअल डिफ़ॉल्ट रेजोल्यूशन, तो वही रखते हैं. हाइपर स्मूथ स्टेबलाइजेशन इज़ ऑन. फ्रेम्स पर सेकेंड अभी 60 चूज़ करके रखा है. वी कैन चेंज इट लेटर. सो दैट्स वॉट इट इज़. स्टेबलाइजेशन ऑटो पे है. आप ऑफ ऑन भी कर सकते हैं इसको अलग से, बट आइडियली वी शुड कीप इट एट ऑटो unless you are very very confident. Short clips, shoot a quick 15 or 30 second video, you can choose that, but it basically loops your video again and again, so better than that you should shoot a continuous video. So those are a quick roundup of the features and this is ready to use as of now. तो अभी सिर्फ यही करेंगे कि GoPro का जो ऐप है वो बाद में डाउनलोड कर लेंगे. अभी के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. सेटिंग्स जो है ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए एंड हैप्पी टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट नाउ. सो अभी इसको ऑफ कर देंगे क्योंकि फालतू का बैटरी चेंज करना ठीक नहीं है. यूज़ करना नॉट. फ़ोटो मोड में है अभी. इसको मोड चेंज कर देते हैं फ़ोटो मोड से. सो स्लाइड करके वीडियो में ले आते हैं. अभी इसको स्विच ऑफ करना है. सो वीडियो मोड में रिकॉर्ड आप इस बटन से भी कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ अ बटन ऑन टॉप विच शोज द रिकॉर्ड बटन like this. You can directly press that and go on to recording video. Let's try turning this off and there you go. So that's a quick roundup of the GoPro camera. इसको अभी क्योंकि कर चुके हैं हम लोग सब कुछ रिव्यू, सो once more इसको ऐसे डाल देते हैं फ्रेम पे. फ्रेम पे डाल के we just need to push it inside like this. We close the casing and flip back the cover. ये थोड़ा hard है.
So that's the camera. That's how it is. I can't wait to start using this for my videos. It will take some time for me to really go out and go for long drives. That is because of the current situation. But yeah, I'll be going for small drives, 100-150 kilometers, so that I can keep the habit going. And probably not interacting with people as much, but you know I can't stop myself from going out. So that is what I will continue to do. So stay safe, stay healthy. Do like and subscribe to my channel. I am new to this. I really need your encouragement. So if you like my videos, if you think they are useful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.